Congratulations to the filmmakers
and creatives of the third installment
of the Cine Antonian Film Festival.
Sana mag-work tayo in the future!
Oh, Cine Antonian Film Festival. Mabuhay! Mabuhay Cine Antonian Film Festival. Mabuhay sa inyo, congratulations and hope to see you in the cinemas.
Congratulations to the College of St. Anthony Media Makers po. Mabuhay ang Cine Antonian Film Festival.
Hello, congratulations to the College of St. Anthony Media Makers at mabuhay ang Cine Antonian Film Festival.
Mabuhay ang Cine Antonian Film Festival. Sana maimbita nyo naman ako dyan sa festival nyo. Congratulations. More films. God bless.
Mabuhay po kayo sa Cine Antonian Film Festival. I hope that you continue to support all filmmakers, especially Filipino filmmakers. God bless you and more power.
Hello, congratulations College of St. Anthony Media Makers at mabuhay ang Cine Antonian Film Festival. It's really inspiring to know that a lot of new generation of storytellers and artists are finding their voice through film, just like yourselves. So keep those passions burning, go on with your passion projects, watch a lot of movies, all genre, local, international, kahit ano pa yan, panoorin nyo because you will learn a lot of things from it. Continue learning, continue discovering more about who you are, and that is what is important sa paggawa ng pelikula, sa pagiging isang artist, pagiging isang filmmaker, ang makilala kung sino ka. Yun lang, maraming salamat. Congratulations again.
Hello everyone, si Randy Raimundo. I would like to congratulate the College of St. Anthony Media Makers. Good job guys, and mabuhay ang Cine Antonian Film Festival 2025. My message for you guys, be brave, be bold, be original, be different. Be the change that you want to see in cinema and in life. I hope to work with you guys soon. God bless you.
Magandang araw po sa kanilang lahat. Ako po si Boy Abunda at mabuhay po ang Cine Antonian Film Festival. Maraming salamat for all that you do for cinema. Palaganapin po natin ang paggawa ng sine, pagiging bahagi ng sine, dahil ito po ang isang pinaka-epektibo na pagkwikwento kung sino tayo bilang mga Pilipino, bilang mga tao, at bilang magkakasama dito sa mundong to. Let's continue to tell our stories. Only through stories, especially through cinema, can we actually find, ako paniniwala ko, our true identity. Mabuhay kayo.